I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to turn off notifications on Betterment, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Betterment app. Launch the Betterment app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all settings. Step 2. Go to Settings. Once you're in the app, navigate to the Settings menu. This is usually found in the Profile section, often represented by a gear icon. Step 3. Select Notifications. In the Settings menu, look for the Notifications option. This section allows you to manage all your notification preferences. Step 4. Toggle off notifications. You will see a list of different types of notifications. Toggle off the ones you no longer wish to receive. Make sure to check both general and transaction notifications. Step 5. Save changes. After you've toggled off the notifications, don't forget to save your changes. There should be a save button at the bottom of the screen. If you miss this step, your preferences won't be updated. Now you're all set to enjoy a quieter experience on Betterment without those pesky notifications. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask.